In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google to get support and utilize Great Notion's features to enhance your workflow. First, let's jump right into it by opening your web browser of choice and entering Notion in the search bar. When you search for Notion, you'll see a list of results, and you'll want to click on the official Notion website link. If you're using Google, it should be one of the top options, marked as www.notion.com. This will take you directly to Notion's homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to look for the Login button, typically located at the top right-hand corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you don't already have an account, you might want it to take a moment to sign up for access to Notion's full range of features. It's quick and worth the effort. After you've logged in, navigate to the top menu and find the Marketplace option. Give that a click. It's in the Marketplace where you'll find a variety of templates and extensions to enhance your Notion experience. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on the idea of using a gamification approach to manage tasks and develop habits, which can certainly make productivity more engaging. Type Gamify into the search bar within the Marketplace. This search will reveal several options related to gamification, including templates and habit trackers. Peruse the selections and click on any Gamify template that catches your eye. These are typically designed to track your progress in a fun and interactive way. Once you've decided on a template, you'll see an Add button. Clicking this button integrates the template into your Notion account, allowing you to start personalizing it to fit your needs. After adding the template, you can find it in your workspace by clicking on the New Page option from the left-hand menu. With your new page opened, it's time to familiarize yourself with the various options these gamified templates offer, like earning XP or leveling up as you complete tasks. Adjust the template by adding new habits or tasks to your list of activities. To do this, simply click on an empty field or the plus icon and input your new habit or task details. Setting specific details for each task is crucial for clarity and effectiveness. Once entered, these tasks can be tracked over time, providing you with a sense of accomplishment as you achieve them. Remember, the beauty of Notion lies in its customization capability, so feel free to explore all other options and adjust them according to your preferences to create a truly tailored experience. That's it for today's guide. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring with Notion.